whole new SYMA X8PRO is going to bring you a whole new flight experience. It's ready to fly when you get it. In the following process, you're free to pause the video at any time and learn the X8PRO accessories assembly with us. Protective guard. Just to press this small handle, we can take this guard out easily. Next, let's pick up the camera. Insert the cable into the corresponding slot on the bottom of the aircraft, and then install it correctly. Holder onto the controller and affix the mobile phone to the holder. Before the operation, we can start geomagnetic headless mode. Frequency matching and flight orientation definition will be done automatically. Horizontally rotate this aircraft at 360 degrees until the red indicator light change to quick flashing. And then put the red indicator side up. Vertical rotate 360 degrees until the indicator lights are always bright. Geomagnetic correction is completed. When the yellow-green indicator light turns green, it means the searching start is successful. When a key return is initiated, the aircraft will return to the recording point. Finally, turn on the controller and aircraft. After matching is done, unlock the aircraft and begin to fly.
key. When the aircraft is off, press the left joystick until it enters into the trimming mode, and then push the corresponding joystick to fine-tune.